guys, Texas finally got a cold front, which is why it is a nice and cool 90-degree day today. No rain, so I figured it's a perfect day to come out here and work on the Challenger. Now in my last video, I tinted the center portions of these taillights using the Lux Auto Concept taillight tint kit, and it turned out really good. So I figured to complete the look, we will go ahead and debadge the chrome Dodge lettering from the trunk. Now an interesting thing is, starting in 2020, if you bought a Challenger equipped with the blacktop package, Dodge actually already blacked these letters out. So if you wanted the blacked out look, you didn't have to debadge the trunk. But in my case, they are chrome, so it's gotta go. You know, it's kind of funny because before I got a Challenger, now I've always loved these cars, but before I got a Challenger, I would see people debadge these, and I was always thinking, well, what are you doing? It looks really good. You want people to know what you got, and I just never understood why people would debadge it. But now that I have one, I actually want to do it, and it's been going back and forth in my head on whether or not I want to do it, because I do like the way that it looks, but I also like the way it would look blacked out. But I figured as long as I keep going back and forth in my head about it, you know, I'm never gonna have my mind made up, so I'm gonna go ahead and debadge it. So this process isn't only for the Dodge Challenger. You could do this to any car with any badge, and it's actually very simple. You only need a few things, which I picked up at Walmart. One thing you're gonna need is some fishing line. This is just some Omniflex fishing line. It was like $1.50, and it is a high strength line, so I picked that up. Now you're also gonna need something to remove the adhesive that is gonna be left over behind the badge, so I went ahead and picked up this Goo-Gone Pro Strength. Goo-Gone has always made really good products. I've used it before, so I know I'm not gonna have a problem with it. And then you're also gonna need some microfiber towels. I picked these up from Walmart. It was like $1.50, and you get 4 of them. And these are pretty inexpensive. I'm just gonna throw these away once I'm done, just because after removing the adhesive from here, all that stuff is gonna be trapped in the towels, and I don't wanna use that on the other parts of the car at another time. So I'm just gonna throw these away when I'm done. So pretty inexpensive. It's a good idea to pick a few of these up.
While applying tension to the fishing line, insert it on one side of the badge and carefully saw through the adhesive to remove it. Once the badges have been removed, you can use your fingers to remove any of the larger pieces of adhesive still remaining on the vehicle. Once the badges have been removed from the vehicle, spray some Goo-Gone in a microfiber towel and apply it to the remaining adhesive still on the vehicle. Allow it to sit for a few minutes to weaken the adhesive. After a few minutes, you can wipe away the Goo-Gone and any remaining adhesive, but you may have to repeat this step a few times just to make sure you got it all up. Once all the adhesive was removed, I chose to use Adams Polish's detail spray to remove any residue left over from the Goo-Gone and to give it a nice glossy shine.
Well, there you have it, guys. This is a very, very clean look. I really love the way that the Debadge style looks. Like I said, I contemplated this back and forth in my head, but now that I'm seeing it done on the Challenger, especially with these blacked out, it just looks freaking amazing, and I just love the way it looks. This is something really quick and easy that you can do. In all honesty, this took me not even 5 minutes. Now you could use a heat gun, especially if maybe you have an older car or if you're in a little bit of a colder climate, but here in Texas we have a natural heat gun, so it really wasn't necessary. And considering this car is still pretty new, it's a 2019, everything came off pretty easy. There really wasn't much residue left, and it came out looking really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys like this look, and if you have a Challenger or a Charger, leave a comment down below letting me know if you guys have debadged your car. So if you haven't already, be sure that you guys subscribe for new videos every single week. And if you're not already, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All of those will be linked in the description down below. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.